was that? We may have just snapped our coupler. In this episode, we gotta put the Trolvo under load. Yep, that did it. We're sending it off to check a tuning to get this thing running spicy.
Why is it spicy?
Trent the wizard with his wizard fingers. I've said it before and I'll say it again.
You're a wizard, Harry.
That is the focus for the Trolvo at the moment. Get it running perfectly and then we can move on to suspension and getting it drift ready, but we just need it to be able to drive first. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna get this thing up in the air and show you the progress that James has made since we got back from Sydney. If you guys enjoyed that little Sydney vlog, that Sydney trip, please like and subscribe. That would help us out so much. Hit that bell notification because you love us. It is vlogception. Don't know what's going on. James has been working hard on it. We got some new spots for these beautiful PWR intercoolers because this thing is gonna be getting drifted. And it's not just for show anymore, it's gonna be a practical car. We've run some lines for those oil coolers right at the back there, about 30 meters and 30 liters of AN10 line.
3 hours later.
Ooh, road trip.
Road trip.
Road trip. All right, we got the Volvo on the back of the truck. Me and James are headed down to check a tuning, go see Trent, go see if we can't shoot some gnarly flames, and most importantly, make some figures. James has absolutely grinded the last couple days getting the PWR oil coolers in the back because that's very important. Thank you so much to PWR. Thanks to Motul, we got some fresh Motul in there ready for the dyno. Those bearings will be loving it at about 11,000 RPM. I lied, we're probably only gonna go to 8. Anyway, we'll see you there. We're here. This isn't the factory. We are at Checkered Tuning and we have the mighty Trolvo. Don't know what to say. This is the first time we've done this. Hey guys!
Oh no, we're matching.
I may.
Look at this, he's like a fan.
Yeah, there we go. I may have already filmed all of this and then realized that I had my microphone on, so I'm re-filming. But anyway, sorry to interrupt you guys, but I'm in the merch room and I have a very important announcement to make. My favorite hoodie ever is Keep It Reet graffiti hoodie, and we have it back in stock now. On another note, ooh, we got a new design, but we are so perfectionist here at Keep It Reet that we are not happy with the finish. So we are gonna be giving these away for more than 50% off. To be honest, I can't even see the discrepancies, but Brendan said, nah, we gotta give them away cheap, so they're just for you guys. Go check them out, keepitreet.com right now. Let's run some numbers. What are your predictions?
Man, I have no idea. I seriously have no freaking idea because, yeah, I have no idea. I'm completely, and I'll be a complete passenger for power on this one. I have no idea. I've never done anything like.
I'm glad that you have the exact same reaction as everyone else when they say this.
It's like, I don't even know what to expect. What are we going to be happy with? Are we going to be happy with 200 kilowatts of the wheels? Are we going to be happy with 250?
I think we're going to be happy.
Is it going to be 150?
I think we're going to be happy with it driving out of here.
Yeah, that's right. And not putting a hole through our wall.
Can I get a copy of that?
The flames.
Yeah, exactly. But no, I think whatever happens, we'll be happy. But hopefully, we can make it exciting.
Oh, should be good.
I think if the bigger the flames, the better.
I didn't even think about where it's going to aim.
Walls.
Yeah.
Hitting right on the white wall.
We're about to have to figure all that out. It's like the first time I've ever seen it again.
It actually looks pretty cool. It's all finished.
Yeah.
It's got brakes now.
Yeah. It has everything, and it has.
It's literally drivable now.
It has 30 meters of AN line all the way to the 2 PWR coolers at the back as well. Have you worked it out yet? The actual realization. Have you ever seen anything like it? Well, there's the answer, isn't it? Alright, anyway, hopefully the audio is good enough because I'm swapping back and forth from a mic, but it should be good. Trent's gonna get this thing hooked up. We're gonna do some gangster things with our gangster car.
It's a little bit ghetto way of doing it, but...
No, I like it though. there's nothing not ghetto about what we do.
Yeah,
mate.
you got to keep consistent.
These two are one piece and these two are one piece, and then they have a connecting mechanism, but basically you have to, these two are going to be the exact same, but they're not going to be the exact same as these two. So there's an adjustment here that you can do to get all of our butterflies to sit the exact same. So now, what is your technique?
It's a pretty rough technique. It's like an old technique, but just put drill bits and sit them on 1/8 drill bits, and then just make sure that the others have got the same. I mean, normally you would put a balancer on it, a carb balancer, and get it all balanced up, but this will get us close enough to get.
If you don't have one, then that is a way of just knowing that all of your butterflies are opening the same amount.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe not sucking the exact same amount of air, but
Yeah, as long as at least they're synced in their actual movements. So you don't want one to be full throttle before the other, or one completely closed. And this one's a little bit behind that one.
so we're going to do a little bit of adjusting before we start running it up. Favorite part of the entire dyno experience, the gangster pizza shop next door. Isn't that right? How good are they?
Pretty good.
What's going through your head right now?
Trying to protect my pretty white walls.
The top. Give me the... Trent is getting in, having a little look at that shaft, and if you know rotaries, you know they vibrate like crazy, so I presume he's got that pen in his hand because he's going around and marking all of the vital bolts that we don't want coming loose. And that'll give us a good indicator of how bad the vibrations really are and how much of an eye we have to keep on all the bolts in this car, because I predict bolt check every track day. What's your predictions? Comment down below how many bolts you think are going to come loose from this bloody car. You reckon it's going to loosen bolts like no tomorrow or what, Trent?
I have full faith that you've used all the Loctite.
Sitting here watching, he's not doing power runs or anything yet, he's still just testing it, but he's put it under load, and he put it under load to like 5 grand just before, and it's actually doing it. It handled the load, and it sounds amazing. What was that? We may have just snapped our coupler. Let's go find out. Oh no! Oh, you can barely see it, but yeah, that did it.
It snapped the shaft. It broke the shaft.
It done broken it.
It was feeling really good. Seriously, it was feeling good.
It was sounding amazing
It
too.
was actually starting.
What kind of powers was it making?
I think I saw it made like 300 newton meters there.
Yeah, 170 I think we got, and it's got no timing in it at the moment.
And that was only at 6 grand, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
How
thank
is it that I put that guard there?
Thank God for our little James guard here, and
It caught it well. It did no damage. It's smashed on the cover.
has it actually broken it though?
Yeah,
on that side, has it?
Look down here.
Oh, wait. Yeah, it's full smashed the casing on the side. And would you believe it, I was saying just before that those unis shouldn't be able to come away from the motor. That's also what Jesse was saying, but we were both wrong. It's funny.
You know what failed? It's this thing here. Your back flange failed.
Did
That's
it?
what failed first.
Which one?
This thing on
This
the
side?
Oh no, it's broken the bolts off that first.
Yeah, I reckon that's exactly
Yeah,
what
and then
it's
it
done.
spun around and then broke it off here.
Yeah,
So.
almost could have seen that coming. Anyway, well, that's unfortunate. Well, at least now we've got an excuse to replace that front main seal, I guess. Alright, well look, it looks like we're going to be pushing this onto the... What were you going to say?
It didn't even have a vibration. So, you know what? Like, however you've got it set up, surprisingly is one of the smoothest rotors I've ever been in. It just wants to rev.
That's crazy. That's actually insane.
I was, the first couple I was really tentative and I was really scared. And no word of a lie, it actually gets smoother and smoother the more
Yeah, well, because it sounds really good.
$5,000 in it.
Yeah.
When you were sitting in it, how did it feel sitting in it? Did it feel like it's going to shake your ass through your...
It reminds me of my FD. It is like silk inside.
Yeah, okay.
There's no vibration, and I was holding the gear shifter as well. There's no driveline vibration.
Far out. All right, well that's insane. But yeah, we're probably gonna need some bigger bolts.
I'm surprised it's that is there's not enough weld on that. So see how it's actually just broken the.
Yeah, I saw them.
See how it's pulled away? I think these are snapped off. That's gone like that with centrifugal force, and then just that.
We got a floor to clean as well, bro.
Oh,
Oh, there is some carnage.
damn it! Is that the first time that we've painted your floor?
Actually, you guys have been pretty good.
I think that's actually first floor paint achievement right there. Alrighty.
But apart from our failed trap,
That's good. It's gonna be. It's gonna be good. I don't know. Maybe to make maybe 190 at the wheels. Something like
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. What's that? That's like 280 horsepower. That's not.
I'm just guessing, but it made 170 with
more RPM.
like maybe 10 degrees timing less than what it should have. So,
Yeah.
And more RPM in it.
Yeah. And
Just not the shaft.
No, and shaft also in it, not out of it.
Yeah.
I'm still super amazed at how fucking non-violent it is. It's so smooth in there. It is like silky smooth.
Just want to make people silky smooth.
I thought it was going to be really violent. I closed the door, I closed
Everything's
the window.
solid mounted.
Yeah, I know, and I'm not joking. Like in the car, compared to Kat's car, it's like silk. It's seriously like a fucking magic carpet.
Yeah, okay. Well, look, there's a million things that we could say in this dyno room, but we're not gonna say it. We're gonna upload this thing. We got some motors to pull. We got some thinking to do. We got some CADing to do, and we'll be back for more carnage. Hopefully, more flames next time because I want to see some. But anyway, we're gonna get this on the trailer. We're gonna get it back to the factory, and we're gonna keep on working like we always do.